Hi everyone, welcome to my screencast presentation. Today I'm going to cover some of my favorite restaurants to eat at. Rather than ranking them in order, I just kind of chose my favorite restaurant based on type of food. So my favorite pizza place, sandwich place, Thai place, and I believe steakhouse. Felt that was a bit easier than ranking them because sometimes ranking restaurants of different foods can be a bit difficult. So anyways, let's get started. So first off is my favorite sandwich shop, and that is Domini's. Domini's is a small sandwich shop located downtown Spokane, Washington. It is family owned and operated, so you get very good customer service. I believe they've been there for about 50 years, so many locals like and have ate at this place over the years. Just overall, really good experience. They're known for their large sandwiches and free popcorn, so you always are full after a meal at Domini's. But like I said before, what makes the place is all the memories you have there because it's a local spot. You get to know the people and you just form a lot of good memories over the year. Just overall, a place I always enjoy meeting up with a family member and having a nice lunch. So third up is Taste of Thai, or sorry, second up is Taste of Thai. Taste of Thai is a Thai restaurant located in North Spokane, about 5 minutes from where I grew up. Has that true hole in the wall feel where you walk in. There's all sorts of random decor, maybe 3 tables set up. However, it has some incredible food. I would argue it's the best cashew chicken I've had to this day, despite any other Thai place I've had. So it's super good food. Also, it's family owned, so you get a really good experience every time you go. Um, they're really good. They always remember your name, even remember your order. For example, over quarantine, a couple Aprils ago, whenever I'd call, the guy knew my voice so well he would just automatically know my order. So Taste of Thai does those little things that make you enjoy coming back to a restaurant. But overall, it's just a really good spot to get some good takeout food for maybe a Friday or Saturday night. Yeah. So next up is my favorite pizza place, which is Cella's. Cella's is located in Pullman, Washington, about an hour and a half from Spokane. Also in Pullman is Washington State University. So often when you go to Cella's, it's because you're about to go to a football or basketball game. So it's a really cool game day spot. Often you'll see fans from both teams playing there, so you can talk some trash, eat some pizza, and just kind of enjoy the day. Cella's is known for their world-class calzones. Despite whether people agree or not, I do believe they are very good calzones. They contain an absurd amount of cheese that may give you some stomach issues, but I truly believe it's worth it. But as a whole, what makes Cella's is just the great game day environment it has before a big football game, and I have a lot of good memories over the years at Cella's. So lastly, but certainly not least, is 71 and Above. 71 and Above is located downtown Los Angeles at the top of the U.S. Bank building. They're known for their great view as well as incredible food. So I've been to 71 and Above once with some buddies for his birthday. It was honestly one of the best experiences I've ever had in a restaurant. 71 and Above, like I said, top of the U.S. Bank building, so you can see the entire skyline of the surrounding area of LA at night. So it's a super nice view. And along with that, the food is amazing. I had probably the best steak of my life at 71 and Above. However, it does hurt the pocketbook a bit. It's certainly not cheap, so it's kind of one of those once a year type restaurants, but it's great for a special occasion, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or whatever. I'm certainly looking forward to going back to 71 and Above the first chance I get because, like I said, it was honestly one of my favorite restaurants I've ever been to and was just an incredible experience. So that's actually all I have for you guys today. Thank you for listening to my presentation on some of my favorite restaurants. I hope you didn't disagree with me too much, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day.